Hey there, superstar. Welcome to a new way of thinking about your time, your skills, and your future. Let's talk about a dream, making money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with family. Imagine earning income even when you're not actively working. This isn't a fantasy. It's possible, and I'll show you how. People just like you are already doing it every day. The first time I made $1 online, it felt like magic. It was a small amount, but it changed everything for me. I created a simple guide, put it out there, and a stranger bought it. That moment opened my eyes to what's possible. That dollar was proof. You can turn your knowledge into income. Your ideas have real value in the world. This isn't about overnight riches. It's about freedom. It's about building something that works for you, even when you're not working. Imagine waking up to, "You've made a sale" emails. That feeling never gets old, and it's a sign you're on the right path. That's passive income. Do the work once, get paid again and again. Your efforts keep paying off long after you finish the work. Your ebook becomes your digital employee, working 24/7. It never takes a break and it keeps earning for you around the clock. This dream is closer than you think. You don't need to be a tech genius or a marketing expert to get started. In the next 72 hours, you can make it real. All it takes is a willingness to try and a bit of focused effort. The magic product? An ebook. It's simple, accessible, and anyone can create one with the right guidance. You don't need a publisher or a degree, just an idea. Your story, your expertise, or your passion is enough. Your unique experiences and skills are valuable. What you know can help others, and people are willing to pay for that help. Someone out there needs what you know and will pay for it. Your knowledge could be the answer to someone's problem. We'll turn your wisdom into a product that sells, step by step. I'll break it down so it's easy to follow, even if you're new to this. No stress, no overwhelm, just clear actions. You'll know exactly what to do at every stage. Ready? The only thing between you and your first sale is the decision to start. Forget perfection and doubt. Take that first step, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. For the next 3 days, it's all about action. Small steps add up to big results. We'll create, launch, and sell your first ebook. You'll see your ideas come to life and reach people everywhere. I'll guide you every step using free tools and simple strategies. You don't need a big budget or fancy equipment. By the end, you'll be a published author and online entrepreneur. You'll have something to be proud of and a new source of income. Let's get started. Your dream is within reach. The only thing left is to take action and believe in yourself. The world is waiting for what only you can offer. Take the leap. Your story, your knowledge, your voice matters. Your journey to passive income starts now. You have the knowledge. You have the tools. All you need is the courage to begin. Let's make your dream a reality. Are you ready? Let's dive in and start building your future today. First, we need your golden ebook idea. This is the spark that will set your entire project in motion, so let's make it count. It's where your unique skills and passions meet what people are actively searching for and willing to pay for. Picture a Venn diagram. One circle is what I'm good at. The other is what people will pay for. The magic happens where they overlap. The overlap is your sweet spot, your golden opportunity. Grab a paper or open a doc. Let's start brainstorming together. List everything you're good at. Job skills, hobbies, life experiences, even things friends ask you for advice about. No idea is too small or silly. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the most powerful. Next, list problems people want solved. Weight loss, saving money, productivity, relationships, learning new skills, or anything you see people struggling with. People buy ebooks for results. They want solutions, shortcuts, and guidance. Your ebook should be a shortcut or guide to a specific outcome, making life easier for your reader. Now connect your skills to a problem people want solved. This is where your idea takes shape. Good at meal prepping? Help busy moms save time and eat healthier with simple strategies. Know how to budget? Help students manage money. The key, be specific and address a real need. Don't just write about fitness, write a 7-day workout plan for busy professionals. Niche down for more impact. The more specific your solution, the easier it is to sell and the more valuable it feels. Find that perfect match, and you've found your golden idea. Your expertise is valuable, and people are looking for it. Someone out there is searching for your solution right now. This is the foundation of your ebook, the base you'll build everything else on. Keep it simple, focused, and actionable. Don't overcomplicate it. You're closer to your first sale than you think. Every big success starts with a single idea. Let's move forward with your winning idea. Take that first step with confidence. Ready to turn it into reality? Let's go. Your ebook journey starts now. You've got your idea. Now let's validate it and make sure it's something people are truly excited to buy. We need to make sure people are actually buying ebooks on your topic, not just browsing or searching. This isn't about copying others. It's about confirming real demand and understanding what's already working. Use free tools, Amazon, Pinterest, and Google, to dig deep and uncover what readers are searching for. On Amazon Kindle, search your topic and see what comes up. Look at titles, covers, and bestsellers rank. Low numbers mean high sales, and that's a great sign. Read reviews to see what readers love, what they complain about, and what's missing from current books. On Pinterest, search your topic and see what's trending visually. Notice popular pins, catchy headlines, and what gets lots of saves or shares. These are signals of interest. These are clues to what people want and what they're willing to engage with. Use their language in your title and description to connect directly with your audience. On Google, search your topic plus guide, checklist, or ebook to see what's out there. Are there lots of articles? That's good. People are searching for this info, and there's proven interest. Check the People Also Ask section for common questions and pain points. These can become your ebook chapters, giving you a ready-made structure. Your research gives you proof your idea will sell and the confidence to move forward. It also gives you a roadmap for what to include so you don't miss anything important. Don't skip this step. It's your shortcut to success and saves you from costly mistakes later. Now you know what people want and how to deliver it in a way that stands out. You're ready to create something people will buy. Your idea is validated and you're set up for success. You have a list of must-have topics and a clear direction for your ebook. Let's build your ebook with confidence. The market is waiting for your unique perspective. Let's get started. Time to build your ebook. Don't overthink it. We're making a short, helpful guide, not a novel. Aim for 20-50 pages. Quick to write, easy to read. Use a simple structure: intro, 3-5 chapters, conclusion. Each chapter solves part of the main problem. Use free ebook templates online for a professional look. Just fill in your words and images. Keep it clear. Headings, short paragraphs, white space. End with a strong conclusion and an About the Author page. Share your story and connect with readers. Add a link to your website or social media. Your ebook is a digital handshake. Start building your audience. Simplicity wins. Focus on value, not length. You can write this in a day. Let's get your words on the page. Now let's get your words down, fast. Meet your writing team, ChatGPT and Google Docs. ChatGPT helps brainstorm, outline, and draft. Ask it for chapter ideas or help with sections. Use its suggestions as a starting point. Add your voice and stories. Move to Google Docs for drafting. It's free, saves automatically, and works on any device. Paste your outline and start writing. Don't worry about perfection. Just get your ideas out. Use Google Docs voice typing to talk your way through chapters. Most people speak faster than they type. Edit later. Focus on getting words down now. This combo is the ultimate productivity hack. You'll be amazed how quickly your ebook comes together. Let's write your first draft. Your ebook is written. Now let's make it look amazing. People judge books by their covers, so design matters. Use Canva, a free, easy tool for beautiful layouts. Pick an ebook template that matches your topic's vibe. Paste your text in, break it up with headings, bullets, and images. For the cover, choose a bold template with a clear title, your name, and a compelling image. Use high contrast colors for readability. Your title should promise a benefit, not just a topic. Export your finished ebook as a PDF in Canva. PDF keeps your design perfect on any device. Save your file. You now have a professional-looking ebook. No design experience needed. Your ebook is ready to impress and sell. You're almost ready to launch. Let's get it out into the world. Your ebook is done. Let's sell it. You need a digital storefront, and PayHip is perfect, free, easy, and no upfront costs. Sign up at payhip.com and set up your account in minutes. Connect PayPal or Stripe to get paid. Upload your PDF and cover image. Write a compelling title and description. Use your research. Highlight the problems you solve and the benefits. Set your price. $7 to $27 is a great range for your first ebook. Hit Add Product. Your ebook is live. PayHip gives you a unique link to your product page. Share this link anywhere, social media, email, or your website. Buyers get instant access and you get paid automatically. You're officially in business. No tech headaches, no fees until you make a sale. Your first sale could be just a click away. Celebrate this milestone. You've launched your first digital product. Let's get your first customers. Your ebook is live. Now let's promote it for free. Offer a freebie related to your ebook, a checklist, cheat sheet, or quick guide. Create it in Canva and share it on social media and in online groups. Link your freebie to your ebook for those who want more. Start building an email list. PayHip and free tools like MailChimp make it easy. Set up a landing page for your freebie in exchange for emails. Your email list is your direct line to fans and buyers. Share your freebie in Facebook groups, Reddit, or your own profiles. Be helpful, not spammy. Offer real value. When people sign up, send them a follow-up with your ebook link. This simple funnel can drive your first sales automatically. Promotion doesn't need to be complicated or expensive. Get your ebook in front of the right people and watch your sales grow. You did it. From idea to published ebook ready to sell. Most people only dream of this. You took action. You now have a digital asset that can help people and earn you money. This is just the beginning of your journey. You've learned to turn knowledge into a product, use free tools, and market yourself. These skills will serve you for life. Don't worry about making thousands overnight. Focus on your first sale. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Every entrepreneur starts with 0 sales and 1 product. You're on the same path as the pros. Keep creating, sharing, and helping people. Success will follow. Believe in your value. The world needs your voice. If you're thinking, I could do that, the answer is, yes, you can. Start today. Don't wait for the perfect time. Pick your idea and take the first step. Everything is figure-outable. You have the tools, the roadmap, and the potential. Go make it happen. Your journey starts now. I'm cheering for you every step of the way. Let's make your ebook dream a reality.